Good morning students. Today we are entering into a new chapter which is weight and capacity. In the last class we have seen to length, here weight and capacity. So before entering into the topic we are going to see to page number 112 which is jump start. Take the heavier object in each pair. Here you are going to find the heavier object in the given pictures. See there in the A which is there watermelon and banana. So which one will be heavier? The weight will be higher. The which watermelon is the heavier object. Seems to itself you can see which one will be heavier. So weight 1. So the next one is in the BC, the small book and the large book it is given. So the big book only will be very much heavier object. So you will tick that. And see to the next one, tick the lighter object on the weighing scale. Weighing scale means see to the A1 which is in the above level will be the lighter one and below level will be in the heaviest one. So lighter is in the above, so you are going to tick that side. And see to the B1 weighing scale there are two things that is given there in that which is below and in the above. So which one above will be the lesser height, that is lesser weight, lighter object. So that one only you will tick it up. At oranges it is given, at orange color it is given, no? That only you have to tick up. And see to the third one, the water tub holds, the blank is given buckets of water. So the picture is given there, the 3 buckets of water, the water tub holds 3 buckets of water. So the tub will hold the 3 buckets of water. So these are things given there in the jump start. Here in the weight and capacity you are going to learn what are the things. You are going to see that. In this chapter what and all you will learn is measure the weight of an object using non-standard units. First one you are going to measure the weight of objects for non-standard units. And then estimate the weight of an object in grams and kilograms. Then you will estimate for what and all in grams and kilograms. Then estimate the capacity of a container in millimeter and liters, milliliters and liters. So first one for the weight of the object in grams and kilograms you will see, and the next one capacity of the container in milliliters and liters you will see here in this chapter. Then solving real life word problems based on weight and capacity. So what are things? Weight, which is for gram and kilogram, and for the capacity you will see to milliliter and liters, and the real life problems in according to that weight and capacity you will see in this chapter. Here the story that the same thing, kingdom of King Aditya is given here. In the kingdom of King Aditya, vegetable seller use different methods to weigh vegetables. For weighing vegetables they are using different methods. What are the things? See here. First see that picture what are given. First numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The numbers are given. Give me 12 potatoes. They are asking 12 potatoes. Give me potatoes equal to the weight of 2 blocks. So that is given there. Where should we go to buy vegetables? One vendor is selling potato by number, the other is selling potatoes by weight. So this picture is given. This is the kingdom of King Aditya. It is the vegetable is selling in the market there. Measuring weight by non-standard units. Here there is given for an introduction. They were unhappy about this 12 potatoes, give 12 potatoes, 9 potatoes, by using 2 blocks you give. So these are something not familiar, that is not familiar for now for us, but in before days it was like that. They don't know to buy, they don't know to measure each of the things by the weight or by the liters, they don't know to buy. So here there is some conclusion given by the king. See here. People in King Aditya's kingdom are unhappy about the way vegetables are being sold. By that way it is so difficult, right? They do not get the appropriate things. So here they share their problem with the king. By seeing to these difficulties they felt unhappy. So they are going to king. We feel cheated by vegetable seller. See here, by these things the vegetable seller is cheating the people. Your majesty, some of them sell vegetables by weight. Others sell them by number. Some of them measuring by weight and some of them are measuring by the numbers. So also different vegetable seller use blocks of different sizes to weight vegetables. So they are doing different things, different blocks for different sizes for they are using. They also say that the big and small blocks are same. The big and small blocks are same, like that they are saying, oh, we must do something about this. So now the king came to think now. Why is that problem if vegetable are sold by number. There is some problem while using by numbers. Why should vegetable seller use blocks of the same size to weigh vegetables? So they are using the same weight, right? So they are thinking why these problems are arising like that. On hearing the problems faced by the people of his kingdom, the king announces that all vegetable seller must sell vegetables by weight. So he is announcing all vegetable sellers should give the vegetables by weighting the vegetables. He also announces vegetable sellers should follow a standard measuring system while using blocks to weight vegetables. They do not measure each of the things, right? So he is announcing that vegetable sellers should follow a standard measuring system. So here they are using a weighing vegetables for that. So here see to the exercise problem 7.1. The first one. Look at each picture carefully and write the weight of the object in the box. So here you are going to write the weight of the objects that is given in the box. So here see to the pictures first. The weight of the lemon is equal to the weight of dash stones. So here see which is equal to which. Here there is only one lemon and here the stones are given there. How many stones are there? That is which are equal, right? So you have to count the stones and you have to write in the given blank. So how many stones are there? There are 4 stones are there. So you have to write which is equal to which. One lemon is equal to, the weight of the lemon is equal to the weight of 4 stones. You have to write there. And then next one you are going to do as the homework one. What is given there? The weight of the pineapple is equal to the weight of dash blocks. There are few blocks are there. One pineapple is there. So which is equal to which? The pineapple is equal to the blocks. So how many blocks are there? So that blocks you are going to write in that blank given there. And then you are going to see to the kilogram and gram. So here you are going to come to know about weight. So kilogram and gram you are going to see here. See to the conversation that are given there in the Aditya king. After a few weeks, some vegetable sellers come to meet King Aditya. So they are coming to meet Aditya. Your Majesty, vegetable sellers from other kingdoms cheat us when we buy vegetables from them. So they are saying they are cheating us. How is it possible? The king is asking. The vegetables we buy from them weigh less than what we ask for. They are weighting less like that they are saying. But they are also using blocks to weigh vegetables. Or they not? They are asking that, like that they are asking. I think there is some problem with their blocks. So they are saying there is some problem why that blocks only they are saying. The king is asking with that blocks only they are buying, they are giving, selling, right, he is asking. But they are answering that there is some problem with that block like that. The people are saying to that king. Now they are thinking, what they are thinking, see, why is there a difference in the weights of vegetables when all kingdoms are using blocks to weigh vegetables? So in the all kingdoms they are using the blocks, then why the vegetables sellers are cheating like that? They are thinking. King Aditya and the kings of neighbor kingdoms decide to use blocks of the same size and weight. So they decided to use the same blocks and same size and weight. They decided to use grams to weight light items and kilograms to weight heavy items. So for light items they will use grams and heavier items they will use kilogram. Kilogram and gram are the standard units. As I said, kilogram and gram are standard units. As for the length, centimeter and meter are standard units. Here in the weight, gram and kilogram are the standard units. The short form of gram is G. For the gram it is G. It is the shortest form. And for kilogram it is kg. So this is the shortest form for these two standard units. Gram is a standard unit, kilogram is a standard unit. For the short form is G and for kilogram kg. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. As for the length, we have seen 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here also there is comparison for both those two standard units. For gram and kilogram there is a difference, that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. This is a comparison for these two things, for kilogram and the gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. As for the meter and centimeter, here there is comparison for kilogram and gram. And now see to the page number 118, the exercise 7.2 is given there. Identify the units of weight that should be used to measure the given things. Then write the names of the things in the correct columns. 2 are done for you. So here already 2 is done for you, and the remaining things you are going to do as your homework. Identify the units of weight that should be used to measure. You are going to identify which measurements can be given for the given objects in the blocks that are given there. So what are the things given there? See, toothpaste, lemon, potato chips, TV remote, biscuit packet, jackfruit, pineapple, soap, apple, comb, cake, a packet of noodles, watermelon, pumpkin, papaya, toy duck. And here below see the things measured in kilograms, things measured in grams. So you are going to write below that given blocks. The two things are given, right? Jackfruit is kilogram, like that they have mentioned in the kilogram box, and in the measurement of the grams it is written as toothpaste. So two things are given for you, and the remaining you are going to do. So for example, I will give you one thing, that for a gram we can see to the gram. First one is toothpaste, which is gram, and lemon is also we can measure by using gram because it is a lesser weight, and potato chips, which is also gram. TV remote is a gram, biscuit packet gram, jackfruit is kilogram, pineapple kilogram, which is heavier thing. So we can measure like this. You have to differentiate each of the things which can be measured, in which measurements, which units we have to use for that, kilogram or gram, like that. You have to find that unit, and you have to write below the boxes that are blanks that are given that. Things measured in kilograms, which are the things can be measured by using kilograms, you have to write below that. Which are the things measured in grams, you have to write below that. And the next one, look at the picture, fill in the blanks with the correct options. So see to the first one, the apple is dash than the pumpkin. The two options are given, the heavier, lighter. So you have to choose that too, which one you have to choose as. So see to the apple, apple is 100 gram is given there. And see to the grapes, 50 gram, pumpkin is 1 kilogram, and watermelon is 5 kilogram. So you have to choose here as apple, which is lighter weight. You know that is lighter weight because it is in gram. Gram means lighter, kilogram means heavier will be. So the apple is lighter than the pumpkin. And the next one, the watermelon is the dash item. See the watermelon, it is, for seeing itself it is big, right? So it will be highest, heaviest only. So you have to write as heaviest. The watermelon is the heaviest item. And the next one, the grapes are dash than the apple. See to the grapes, how it looks like, and the gram is given there 50 gram. So which is lesser than that, lesser, lighter weight only it will be. So you have to write as lighter than the apple. The grapes are lighter than the apple. And the next one, the apple weights dash and the watermelon weights dash. So it is given, options are given there. In above itself it is given how much gram, how much weight it is, like that it is given above. The apple weighs 100 gram, apple weight is given there 100 gram. So you write the 100 gram in the given blank. And the watermelon weighs 5 kilogram, that is 5 kg. So write as 5 kg, 5 kilogram. The options also given there below in the options. The next third one you are going to do as your homework one. Answer these questions. Meera has 2 kilogram apples in one bag and 4 kilogram grapes in another bag. Which bag is heavier? So here 2 kg of apples in one bag. Kg means kilogram, which is weighted. 2 kg. Meera is having one bag which is 2 kg of apples and 4 kg of grapes. So which one will be the heavier one? The bag she is having grapes only will be heavier one because that is the highest one. So comparing to 2 and 4, 4 is the highest big number. So 4 is the heavier, 4 kg is the heaviest one. So you have to write the answer as bag of grapes. So do that one as your homework. The next one also you have to do as your homework one. Jody has 50 gram popcorn and 10 gram chocolate bars in her bag. What is the total weight of the items in her bag? So you have to compare the two numbers and you have to write the total number of weight. You have to see to that number and you have to Add that number because it is given there as total weight. Total weight means you have to add the numbers. So 50 plus 10 you will get the answer. And the last one, take the estimated weight of each object. So you have to estimate. Estimate means you know what is meant by estimation. And here potato is given. So which can be taken for gram or kilogram? It is lesser weight. So you have taken as gram because only one potato is given. So you have to estimate as 30 gram. And see to the B1 you are going to do as a homework, the bicycle which will be heavier weight, right. So you have to choose that one, 10 gram or 10 kg. So you have to choose that, okay. So that's all. What and all we have seen here, how to weigh the things, objects. So by using kilogram and gram we have used this. That are two things are the units. So the standard units means kg and gram. Kg means kilogram, G means gram. So thank you students.